put the garlic in the bottom drawer, Rod?
That's fine, you just had some. Did you eat your garlic, Kai?
Yeah, I had some.
You eat garlic also first thing in the morning?
Sometimes, yeah. It cleans the blood, Mom.
What?
Said it cleans the blood.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wash up some grapes, both colors. This way, if you wanna take some, you just take some. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Where are you going with the garbage?
I had a garbage.
I have it here. I threw it out.
Kai, you're wasting the paper. Is this bag the same amount? 16 ounces. Did we buy 16 ounce at home or 32 ounce?
I'd say 32 ounce.
That's why this seems smaller.
There's enough washed fruit.
Huh?
I said there's enough washed fruit. What did you do with the guava that you cleaned?
The what?
Did you clean the guava or whatever?
We ate it already.
Oh, you ate the whole thing?
It wasn't that much. It was only a half. I could
Oh.
eat 2 of them.
Huh?
I said we could eat a lot of fruit, Mom.
Alright.
Literally, like a huge bowl of fruit. Like if this was a huge bowl, he and I could probably.
Here we
eat the whole
have
bowl.
one dinosaur that I've been
So,
How much? We have to
I
find
don't want to
desiring
wash
to
too
draw
much at
for
a time.
We have
about a
to
few
find
years.
fruit stand. Maybe in Jupiter. Maybe there was that health food store one time. I saw it.
I'm putting this in the middle.
Well, finish up the fruit that's here.
Tonight we're going to draw Albertosaurus.
Because such a small.
You used half a thing.
That has to go up.
What,
Let
Mom?
it go. Let it go.
Don't you let it cool off? Why?
Just make sure it's closed.
Here. Yeah.
All right.
Taste the hot chocolate, because I ought to like it.
All right.
Why did you have to like it? Why didn't you put it in there?
Fine. I don't know why you can't grow regular plants here, Mom.
Huh?
I don't understand why you can't grow regular plants. Inside, why they die. Right. Why they die.
I don't pay attention. So you don't want the
Nope. Nope.
trying to find me. Look at this, what I found in the paper, Kyle. I thought would interest you.
Eat it while it's hot, Clyde.
All right, 1 minute. I'm almost done with this.
Take your time.
Wow.
I'll leave the article for you. Huh?
Yeah, this won't take long.
Oh my God, it looks like it's a baby alligator. It's white-skinned, Kai, albino.
No, it's not an albino. All right, so this table is going to be his territory.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's my territory.
It's a reptile park, Kai, in Kissimmee.
That's something we should go to.
No, that's something that maybe they would buy your art for if you had drawn the reptiles.
Be careful, the oven is still
I know.
hot, it's scalding hot. Okay, over here, everything like this?
Yeah. I'm so psyched. I got the juicer and they sent me the white one, which I'm so happy.
Very good. So if you wanted to go to a kosher deli, there's a Ben's Kosher Deli in Boca.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Huh?
you mean he owns one in Boca?
What?
He owns one in Boca too?
Ben.
I'm on Ben's.
Oh, you have a Ben's in New York?
Yeah, I'm on Ben's.
Okay, well,
He had the matzo ball, Mom. We eat Ben's all the time. He works next door.
okay. Kyle, are you watching this or can we put the news on?
I'm watching that.
No, Grandma wants to watch the news.
Can we
Yep.
watch the news?
Put the news
for a
on.
little while, please?
All right.
Thank you. I don't know where to do that.
I'll
Where's
find
the
it.
remote
Here,
here?
I have it.
Get this little one.
No, I don't need that. See you, Ed.
Here's your markers also, honey.
Well, this doesn't have to stay out. You can take it
He's
this
gonna forget it, Leave
I'll
it
put
on
it
the.
with your luggage.
You want me to take it in the
It's all right. It's fine. It's
It's all right.
fine. How long has this coffee been standing, Rod?
I just made it like 5 o'clock.
Oh, that's too many
No,
hours.
it's not. It's fresh. I just made it. 5, 6 o'clock. It's fresh coffee.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
delicious.
Kyle is drinking all, oh no.
No, I make it. Usually I make so much of it and then the next day I just heat it up and drink it again.
Well, your taste buds are a little different than mine, would you say?
Well, Chris went away without my coffee and then he realized how good my coffee is.
And done. There he is.
And done.
That's how you draw Albertosaurus. Be sure to
So,
subscribe
look, this-
and
Good, Rod.
be sure to check out the channel. And be sure to go on Twitter.
Yeah,
Right.
tell them the channel name, Kai.
Go to Dinomaster X Artniverse. And by the way, what can I say? I love dinosaurs.